Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I was at Aldi's and I bought this cordless car vacuum. It's a mini car for cleaning, and I wanted one of those vacuums to clean off my desk because when I get glitter or little fine paper shreds, I wanted to try this out. So I'm going to show you what's in the box. So it's the vacuum, and it has a USB cord to charge it, and the manual, and it's wrote in 3 different languages I was looking at, and I did charge it ahead of time. And then it has the crevice brush, and then it has this so it is easy to clean, to use to clean. You just twist it, and then it's just this piece, and it has a filler, and then it has the cup to hold everything. So I was trying it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to die cut something that has really delicate pieces to show you how it works. At first I was like, this has a little flapper, but it works. It really does. It like pushes back that the dirt don't fall back out, because I was concerned about that too. But when you turn it on, there is a light. And it does suck up a little, I don't really have anything here to show you, but let me die cut something intricate that will pick up pieces that you can see. Let me try this one. This isn't real fine. No, that's not real fine. I wanted something really fine because I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's pretty big to pick up. There was one that I was working with yesterday. I should have been prepared here. It's this one. This lacy. This has a lot of pieces, fine pieces. Let me try the flower. This is the lacy border kit one. And I know this isn't going to fit, but I'm just using this for an idea. What I'll do is I'll just run it off like this. I think this paper is pretty thick too. I think I have to, I'm having problems getting the dyes out of this paper. Okay, so I'm just going to push this all here. And I can use this later. And it really sticks in the intricate dyes. I took notice. This one, this whole set. I used the butterfly one for a Mother's Day card, and it's holding it in. But I love the way it cuts and everything. But the pieces don't fall out like they normally do. I think it's because has so much detail and everything. But I'm just doing this so I can make a mess and show you how the little vacuum works. Because I've been debating on getting them, and I saw HSN had one with, who was it? Crafter's Companion, but you had to buy her cutting machine. That was $200 to get that vacuum free. I did check on Amazon, and they run between, I think, like, some are 18 to, I think the cheapest I saw one was 11. But they're the circle hand ones, and they're small, too. And they have like brushes at the bottom. And that's basically what Crafter's Companion was doing. All right. All right. So I'll pull these big pieces out. And you all know this is a pain to get up. Especially when I use my silicone mat all the time. So I'm going to keep it attached here. And I'm going to show you how it works. So you just only have to push the button once. And it turns it on automatically. And it sucks up pretty good. But I don't have to have pieces stuck to me. And those were like varied from small to large pieces. And I didn't try glitter yet. But when it stops, that little flapper goes down. And I did this because everything seems to get sucked to the filter. And you just twist it to lift it up. And nothing goes in here because of the filter. But I've seen that the itty bitty tiny pieces stick in there. So be careful or you'll be sweeping up again. And this is what I did before. Cleaned the little filter out. And it collected all the pieces pretty nice and everything. And now I understand why the flap is there. So I can just dump this out into my trash. And it's good to use again. And there's like a lip here to put the filler back on. And you can see where the grooves are to put it in, and it locks in place. And I figured for here on the desk, I think this was at ALDI's for only $14.99. And I thought this was a good buy. I figured I'd share it with everyone because I know when you're cutting a lot of dies and everything that it is hard to do. Like I said, this one, I did the butterfly one, and the pieces were real fine too, just like this. And they were all over, and this worked perfect to get it all cleaned up. So yeah, I'm impressed with this, and just figured I'd share. If you have an ALDI's near you, you want to stop and grab one. I mean, instead of, ordering it off of Amazon, or maybe you need a die cutting machine too. You can get it from Crafter's Companion. Whatever. But thanks. Hey, enjoy your day, and thanks for watching and subscribing. I appreciate everybody watching. Thank you. Have a great day again.